much to all 500 and more subscribers. Yay! Woohoo! God bless everyone. Hi guys. It's me again, Johan. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Johan Wonders. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing my channel. Please stay connected and stay safe. Today I will show you how to make cookies and cream popsicles and cookies cream ice cream. Are ready? Then let's get started. Here are the things that you will need: popsicle holders, Oreo, Kremdensada. Where's it? Where's one? There. One. First, scrape the cream in the Oreo cookies. Then put in the plastic and crush into powder and set aside. Pour the Kremdensada in a bowl. It should be chilled overnight. Then use hand mixer to beat the mixture. Next, pour the powdered Oreo cookies and mix well. Pour the mixture in the popsicle holders. Then pour the remaining mixture in an ice cream container and chill overnight. Now we will put it in the fridge. Let's see what happens after overnight. Yay!
Say hi guys.
Hi guys.
Today
Make the
The next day.
A few inches later.
Let's eat, guys. Yummy, yummy. Yummy, yummy.
do you like it?
Yes, I like it. I like it. That's it, guys. I hope you like our food today. Don't forget to like and subscribe so that I can make more and my exciting and amazing videos. Thank you. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, guys. Thank you for watching.